o sa foreigner relationship. Kasi me, almost 13 years married with my partner. But sometimes in a relationship, mag-aaway ka mo, tapos balik naman. Normal lang naman yun. Usually ako pag mag-aaway kami, maalis talaga ako ng bahay. I stay with my friend until everything is calm down already. Hindi na mainit ang ulo. Then going back. Yun. Tapos, kasi sometimes kasi ipa-priority natin, lalo na pag may mga anak na tayo, ipa-priority natin yung mga bata. Kahit anong pang away nyo, you still need to pag-usapan lang ninyo. Kasi kawawa yung mga bata if end up magiging broken family. Kasi as I know only, kasi pag you're married, ma-half ang attention your both parents. Pero kung hindi man kayo married, ang wife, ang mama is the one who decide kung what day, what time na he's going to let the child visit to his father. So I'm not sure if that is true. That is only what I hear. So yun. And aside from that, pag you're married also and you have a children, dagan na kayo responsibility. May mga responsibility ka. Hindi lang sa anak mo, pati na rin pati na rin sa asawa mo, di ba? Especially if your husband is kanang medyo salakit nung nahiya. Tapos yun, dapat kita na tanan. Sometimes naman with my husband, sometimes he help me, but most of the time kasi ako ang gumagawa. Ngayon bibili ako ng tubig kasi walang tubig na sa bahay. Actually we have 1 gallon na lang, 1.5. Hindi na yan sasapat. Kasi if ever man mag-deliver ang tubig, we wait pa 1 week to 2 weeks before deliver. Kaya yun, sabi ko, pag single naman ng isang tao, yung responsibility lang yan, yung sarili